Hey Drip Droppers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use acrylic paints, we're going to use a record album, and we're going to make what I'm going to call the peacock pour. Because I want it to look like peacock feathers somehow. I don't know how, but I'm going to figure it out. So today's the day. Let's get going. Here we go. So here's a horizon project that I made recently. So I used a record album. You can see the record on the back. I finished it, then I let it dry, then I covered it in epoxy, and then I added a D-ring to the back and some directions about how to care for it. And I'll sell it at my vendor booth. It'll be very, very popular. Actually, this one I'm not going to sell because I just took this one off my wall. I love this one so much. I love the purple in it. But I'm going to do the same thing now, only we're going to look for something like peacock feathers. All right, so that's what I do with them. If you're wondering, what does she do with all these? That's what I do with them. All right, so I've got my paint poured on the record already. We're using Naval from Sherwin-Williams. Okay, so I'm trying to get kind of like a peacock looking thing. So I'm definitely going to use a comb for this to kind of make it look like peacock feathers. And I think the way I'm going to go about it is, I'm just going to put my paint like this and then try to make the feathers go up. But I'm actually trying to make the paint resemble peacock feathers too. So I don't know how this is going to go, but let's start with this. So we're going to start with Deep Turquoise by Winsor Newton. So we're going to start with that right here. And I've discovered with the records, I really need to use plenty of paint. All right, next up is Phthalo Blue by Winsor Newton. I want the cells to have multiple colors in them, so I'm going to go right over the top of this one. Just like that. Oh, I'm hoping this works. I've been trying to come up with this idea for so long. I hope I have the right paints. And here is these. This is, let's see, what is this? This is Aqua Green by Liquitex. Here's Macaw. This is by this little piggy. And I'm actually going to kind of do a little bit of a, I want to get a little extra on here of this. And I'm just going to kind of sprinkle this rather than put it all on top so it doesn't take over. This is this little piggy Velvet. And again, just going to kind of move it around here. That. All right. Now, titanium white. This one's a little scary to me, but if you looked at a real peacock feather, it's got white in it. So I'm going to do white. This one's a little thicker here. Scary, scary, scary. All right. And next up is golden teal. And that's going right across too, like this. Okay, time to say a prayer. Please let this be what I'm hoping for. All right, so that's on and that's looking good. Now, I'm going to do a swipe across it. And I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use a swiping tool like this one. And I'm going to put on my black cell activator. Now, I'm just using Lamp Black for my cell activator. Let me put it down here so you can see me spreading it out on here. All right. Okay, I'm making a mess. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come across it, and I'm actually gonna go like this. Here we go. Like I'm frosting a cake. Okay. All right. Now the cells are going to start developing. And what I'm hoping for are multicolored cells that have the colors of peacock feathers in them. We have cells developing, we have that, so that's good. Oh, and they're nice and big, so that's really good too. I'm gonna just move this around slightly, kind of make it grow a little bit. Beautiful. Great cells. Maybe I'll give it just one little spin, get the paint moving on it. Now I don't want to spin it a lot because that's going to undo what I'm trying to do. And here comes the comb. Now I'm trying to get feathers. I want it to look like, somehow it'll look like peacock feathers. So, or like a peacock tail maybe. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but here we go. There's one. And let's do one more here. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is just start to spin it and see what happens. Let's move it a little bit, get the paint moving. Whoa! That didn't work like I thought. All right. The paint, come on, paint. Ooh. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Does it look like a peacock yet? Not yet, but I think what I'm going to do is now take my comb in the other direction. So let's see if we can just comb it like this. Like that. And then one right here. Okay. Well, that's crazy. That is crazy, crazy, crazy. Gonna move it a little bit more this way. Doesn't look like much yet, does it? Well, we got plenty of room to spin. The colors I love. The pattern I don't have down yet. Oh, wow. The colors are so great. Let's keep spinning. Spinner's a little hard to work with. Let's try using my little thing underneath. Here we go. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I think I just really like it like this. It's moved to the middle now. And let's see if we can get some of these cells to grow. Let's see, we're gonna do this with it and just spin a little more. Wow, it is beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. Wow. Just beautiful. Wow. Wow. This blue especially. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can see it. Let's go over here. Look at the colors. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. I think I'm going to stop right there. Wow, it's not exactly peacock feather. I'm going to have to keep trying to get peacock feather, but it is gorgeous, gorgeous cells. And it's like every other project I do, it comes out the way it wants to. And I love it. So I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to do a flyover. Thanks for joining me. If you're new, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you like my content and want to subscribe. If you've been here before, hey, thanks a lot. And thanks to everybody for your comments. I really appreciate them. It's nice getting to know everybody and finding out what they're working on too. So, hey, I'll see you later. Here we go. Flyover.